What's up guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to continue working on our Jeep Cherokee limited edition. As you know, in previous video we have removed the radiator support assembly. In today we are going to get our parts which are ready for pickup. So let's go and pick it up. But before we go, please hit the subscribe and like button down below to grow our channel, which will be appreciated. So let's go to the dealer. We are here at the dealer to get our parts, and we are going to order some new parts. But look at that Hellcat. We are back from the dealer and we got all the parts in, but before we install the new parts we have to fix few things. We have a broken plastic bracket on our headlight, also our plastic piece, which I am going to fix it using epoxy glue. That's all we're going to do today. We need some time epoxy glue to dry out completely, so we will continue tomorrow. It is the next day. Yesterday I told you we have to fix some parts. So first part we have to fix is the frame rail. So as you see, it's bended from this point, so we have to make sure it's straight. So I'm going to apply some heat over here and then hammer it to make it straight. This is the third day. Yesterday with the heat gun and a hammer, we couldn't fix it 100%. It's almost perfect but not 100%. We have to make sure it's perfect. So I bought few stuff. I bought the propane tank and torch so we can hit the metal more. I bought the pull clamp. I'm going to use it to fix on the frame and then going to pull with the straps. By just using pull clamp and ratcheting belt, I am able to make it straight. You can see in the leveler, the bubble is in the center now. So now we can go ahead and prepare for some primer. I'm going to use 80 grit and 180 grit sandpaper to sand it out and make it smooth so we can apply some primer. Next thing we're going to do is straightening this part of the impact bar. So I'm going to apply some heat and then going to use the hammer to make it straight. Since it's aluminum, it's going to be easier than our frame rail. This one was easy one. Look how straight it is. Just one heat application and it's straight. Now we're going to start installing everything back. So I'm going to start with the lower support bar and then we will go backward. We have to remove some pieces from the old radiator support like this one, the other side, these two clamps and then side pieces, which we need to be transferred to the new radiator support. So let's remove it and transfer it to new radiator support. These bottom brackets are completely out of shape and I couldn't fix it, so I needed to order a new part. I called the parts store and I ordered the new one, so we have to wait for them. So that's all we can do today. In next video we will continue from here and install the radiator support, headlights, plastic brackets, impact bar, everything back to the car. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button to stay tuned to get the new update, and also hit the like button if you like this video. See you next time.